To change text in image using Canva mobile, let's open a presentation document. I'm going to come over to gallery here. I'm going to select the image to add it to my page. And here we have our image. Let me spread that out. So I'm going to tap on this image. I'll come to this down part and I'll find the Magic Studio and I'll slide to find the grab text. This is grab text here. I'm going to click on grab text and you see that the text on my image has been highlighted. You can see I'm hovering my mouse around there to select each of these text boxes. If you want to grab all the text, you click on all text. You see it selects everything at once. But I just want to change the text in one. I'm going to click on this one and this one, and I'm going to grab it. Now that I have this text box separated, I'm going to delete this one and come to this one and say I'll click out, click back into the text, and I can come to format or case, and I can also come into my font and change the font. I'll click this arrow here and I want to use the Gotham font. I'll click this arrow here and I'll choose the bold. This is how to change text in an image in Canva mobile.